Welcome to Data Center. In our previous class, we considered anomalies, we considered decompose, time series, and seasonality. And then today we want to take a step forward by way of looking at autocorrelation, and then we look at smoothing. Okay, so that is what we'll be doing today. And I'll be using the same environment we have been working with. So if this is the first time you are joining us, you can just make sure that you have a working directory on your desktop environment, and then you store your data set inside of it, and thereafter you can go to your PowerShell, you come to your search bar. I used to use search for ANA, that is Anaconda, and then you pick PowerShell prompt, and then from there you can then type in cnd. Okay, you can see my kernel running. So change your working directory. Mine is on the desktop, so I had to type cd space desktop, and then I typed enter, then followed by cd. The working directory is Python, and thereafter I type Jupyter notebook. So I'm working directly from Jupyter. That is my working directory, and that is where my data set are kept. Okay, so once you do that, it will, and then it will bring you up, open, load your Jupyter notebook on your browser, and then you can then start. So we said we are looking at autocorrelation. So we're going to rename this now. Change it from this code here. Change this to Markdown. And then we're going to type autocorrelation time series. Is that okay? Then we'll click on next. So what is even autocorrelation? Let's look at it. It helps to identify if past event has future occurrence. This is it here. Let me change the color so you can see it very well. Okay, you can see. So that is the essence of it. It's often used to check for lag effect in time series data. So let's come back. So we're going to import our libraries. I'll be using the pandas, matplotlib, and a library called autocorrelation. That is from panda.plotting. We're going to import autocorrelation. Okay, so I'm going to bring that in, and I'll be using my monthly sales data set, please. Okay, so we have pandas, matplotlib. Then from pandas plotting, I'm importing autocorrelation plot. Okay, so said I'm going to use these data sets, and you can find the data set on your cargo. Okay, you can find it on cargo directly. Let me bring it out. Where is it? So can I need this one this way? Just copy this. Okay, so I'm passing this into df. We have monthly sales.csv. Then the column that I'm using for my index is month, and I'm saying is true. Okay, so on cargo you can get this data set. Follow through. Okay, let's plot now. Let's plot. We're making reference to this guy here. So open our parentheses. df sales. Okay, want to plot this. Then the next thing is let's see if we can add legend to it. plt dot legend. plt dot show. Let's run these and see. So okay. Java result. So there's no need to add legend. That's what it's showing. So we can just remove this. No handles with labels found to put in legend. So we'll just remove this. Okay. Waiting for results. And we have our results. So this is autocorrelation. Look at the lag. Look at the lag. You can see that is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Then look at this point is up. There's no that's okay. We have look at the benchmark here. Autocorrelation is 0.25 minus 0.25. We have it here, and it drops. And at this point, it's still less than a zero. So this is autocorrelation. Okay. Thing is, we're going to do another time series is how to remove noise, and to do that, we use this time series. That is time series smoothing. Make your result to be more apparent. Okay. So let's go ahead, and then I'm still going to be making reference to this my data set monthly sales. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Let's go with this. Let's go and paste. All right. So the next thing is we want to introduce our smoothing, and I'm going to convert one of the column, that is my sales column, to check, that is we're going to extract. I'll give the instruction in such a way that it can remove the noise from it. Okay, so let's go ahead to apply our smoothing. See, apply exponential smoothing. We have df smooth is equals to df sales. This is equals to this dot ewm span 12 equals to 12 dot the mean. Okay, so this is what we want to do. Once we expand, that's 12 for 12-hour period. So we want to run this separately. That's work this for our sales for us, and then remove our noise. So let's then do our plotting. So plot the original and the smooth data together. So this is the original data, the sales. That is df sales dot plot. Then we included our label. Okay, we said is equals to original, and then df smooth dot plot. Then we included the label. We said smooth. Okay, and the line width we say it should be 2. Okay, plt, since we have label, we should be able to have legend from here. Okay, plt dot show. Let's run this and see. Wow. All right, so you can see we have it. This is the smooth data across the original. So this is the original. So you can see the same movement, but however, the noise has been removed. So you see, it's not. Look at the way it's moving. You can see the way it's moving. You can see that is this other color. This color look like yellow. That is smooth data. You can study the movement. Okay, so that is how to do that. Okay, okay, So we have considered time series, and we're going to stop here today. Right, thank you for listening. I would advise you to download the dataset from Kaggle and practice. All right, practice. Do well to what? To practice. Thank you. If you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and invite others. For those who are just coming in contact and they will want to learn, I was looking at some of our comments. And some people said, okay, they want to learn. How do I get in contact with you? Okay, you can easily check. You can check us on www.alphadat.com.ng. alphadat.com.ng. You can reach us too on WhatsApp on +234 8169816280. You can reach us and then we can guide you through, okay, and help you with other data sets. If you're having challenge or any of our team can reach out to you too, okay, can reach out to you. This is our website address. So website address. All right, so I want to appreciate you for listening. Thank you. See you same time and same venue.